To make this animation, first you will need a 3D model of a fighter jet. To get a 3D model of fighter jet, you have two main options. First, go to Google and search fighter jet 3D model. Here you will get different fighter jet 3D models. Click on this and then you can see. But there is another option where you can use this Tripo AI to generate your desired 3D model. Open this app. Here you will get the daily credits. You can convert your image into a 3D model. Let me show you how. You will get also 4 different models. Okay. Now you need to enter the prompt. After entering the prompt, tap on create. Here you get an image of a fighter jet. Now from here you will get different models. I will suggest to use Smart Mesh. It is ultra high quality with low poly. Face count, decrease it to 12,000. Go back and now tap on create. Now click on check. Here you can see the 3D model is generated, but there is no texture on it. To add a texture on, tap on edit, select the third option, texture generation, and click on it. Now again generate texture. Okay, now as you can see, our 3D model is ready. Now you need to download it. I will suggest to use FBX file. Click on check and now you need to save this file. I will go to WhatsApp and send it to my second number. And now I will resend it to my current number. Open internal storage, go to Android, then media, then WhatsApp, then again WhatsApp, then again media, and you will get WhatsApp document. This is the current file. I send it to myself. Move it to another file where you can get it easily. Come back. Now change its name. Now open Node Video tab. Tap on new, then tap on plus, 3D, and then import. Come to 3D model, and now you will get it easy here. And again tap on plus icon, media, image. select the road PNG, tap on 3D to, and now start adjusting its position. Rotate it to 0.25. Here you can see the fighter jet is perfectly placed on the platform. Now scale up this. So it must look like a real runway. Duplicate it. Now tap on root. Now select the ratio, custom, and make it to 1940 into 960. So the frame will become wider and give it a cinematic effect. Now come to 3D settings. Now place a keyframe and the starting frame on the position as well as rotation. Come to 5 seconds. Readjust its position. Readjust it to its final position. No. Now from here Start adding lighting effects. Enable the skybox and then sky color will be warm yellow. The ground will be orange. Increase the exposure and add the lens flare. And now export it. Change the ratio and double down it. Change the bitrate to very high and now start exporting. Tap on OK and then come back. Tap on new. Tap on plus, media, video. Now add a effect. Go to asset store and tap on and select the ray. Change its color to yellow. Increase the length a little. Now you can export it. Again, double down the ratio. One nine two zero. Quality will be very high. And now start exporting.